Klasky Supo effect under Digital Rights Management Protocol has been declared by the Content Protection Authority. The authority seeks G major 877, an illegally modified asset. Description: pink female waveform, unauthorized chromatic alteration, distinctive full codex audio signature, voice profile, bestie, font association, Gamja flower, last seen near master file, Cynthia. This pirated effect is linked to G major 619, an unsolicited cold TV simulator effect with an altered audioscape, pitches, -13, -5, 0, 4, 9, 12, font, funny cute, voice, Alex. Potential data breach alert, suspect vehicle speed 91 mph. Authorities suspect G major 619 attempts to render G major 877 inaccessible. Simulating asset destruction via Lava Capsule. Report illegal distribution activities to the Content Protection Authority immediately.